Hi, this is Hassan with HandyBros. Today we're gonna show you how to install a simple bidet sprayer. A simple bidet sprayer set comes with a sprayer, a sprayer hose, the T adapter valve, a bidet sprayer holder. Things that you might need is a Teflon tape and a basic plier. The bidet sprayer that you might purchase comes with a hose like this. I strongly recommend do not use these hoses because they tend to burst. Rather, use a high quality PEX hose. For more information on different hoses and their comparison and my recommendation, please see the description below for a video related to that. Turn off your water supply to your toilet and flush your toilet. So all the water in the tank kind of empties. Put some paper towel down here before you unscrew your toilet supply line. It should not require a lot of force. Should be just hand tight. See, the water starts to drip. So just hold it for a few minutes. There shouldn't be a lot of water. Just a little bit. That's it. Just wipe any excess water. Just to give you an understanding where your toilet supply line connects to the supply in your tank. So this is basically where it kind of ties in. And this is basically inside your toilet tank, somewhere around here. Next, we're going to install the T adapter with the shutoff valve to this stub here at the toilet tank. I'm gonna just place it right here and gonna screw it slowly. First, we're going to hand tighten it, and then maybe you're gonna use a plier just a little bit so that it's perfectly secure. Make sure you hold it straight and it kind of starts screwing to the threads easily. Make sure it's not going at an angle, otherwise it's going to damage your that stuff because it's just a plastic. You need to hand tighten it enough so that it stops rotating. Use a hand plier. I'm just applying very little force. Once your T adapter and the valve is installed, make sure these two ends are pointing this way so that it's easier for you to install the toilet supply line. And then here we're gonna install the hose for your bidet sprayer. So first we're gonna install the toilet supply line. I'm gonna hand tighten it. Just make sure again you do not apply a lot of pressure, just enough that it's in place. Now we're going to install the hose for your bidet sprayer. Again, you're gonna hand tighten it, and then maybe use a plier, just maybe like a quarter turn or a little less than a quarter turn. Again, do not over tighten these. And the other end, make sure the black washer is in place at both ends of these hose. Gonna install the sprayer. And then your hook for your sprayer. Just remove the toilet lid of your toilet tank. Just put it here and then put your toilet tank back. Just to guys show you another option, you can just remove these screw, and then through here you can maybe install it on your wall if you'd like to, or if you have a vanity on your vanity. It's up to you guys, but this is the most easiest and the quickest way. I'm gonna just make sure turn on your water and gonna check if there's any leaks. So just maybe turn on slowly. Now we have some leak here. Maybe just apply 2 or 3 rounds of your Teflon tape. Usually a Teflon tape is not needed because this is supposed to be a compression style rubber seal here. It's gonna snug fit, but sometimes depending on if this has a small threads or it's not just enough that it goes all the way down, which was in our case. I'm gonna just put some Teflon tape, just hand tight it enough. Turn on your valve here and turn on your water supply and to make sure there are no leaks. If you see any leaks, maybe you haven't really secured them well, so maybe unscrew and tighten it again. And if there are further leaks, maybe just tighten a little more with your plier, just giving it no more than a quarter turn. Alright, now it's time to check the sprayer. Turned it on and we see it's all nice and dry, no leaks, and the water is going into the toilet tank now. And now let's check out the sprayer. You can control your water pressure either through here, or you can control your water pressure by turning the adapter valve just a bit off,